Hey guys, how's it going? How to make animation in webflow. So first of all, creating animation in webflow can enhance your site's interactivity and visual appeal, right? So select an element, click on the element that you want to animate in the webflow designer, okay? And then basically open the interactions panel, right? Navigate to the interactions lightning bolt panel in the right side, click the plus icon and add new interaction, and then choose from the options like page load, scroll into view, or mouse click tab, depending on how you want the animation to trigger. And then basically once you choose a trigger, click on add animation, and then use the timeline to adjust properties like opacity, move, precision, scale, rotate, etc. And then you can add multiple steps to create complex animations, and then set the duration for how long the animation lasts, and then choose an easing option for animation effect like ease in, ease out. Alright, and then click the preview icon to see your animation in action, and then adjust as necessary based on how it looks. And then consider using page load interactions. This is optional. You can use a page load interactions for elements that you want to animate when the page first opens, and then use timelines to sequence multiple animations for more cohesive effect. By following these steps, you can easily create animations in webflow to enhance user experience. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe.